You guys have no idea how much of a dream come true this is for me. I have always dreamed of transforming into Usagi. I'm so excited to share today's look with you. So you guys have seen me do my face a million times before, but I really love the Juvia's Velvet Matte Foundation because it gives me a fresh and smooth looking skin, which is what we want because Princess Serenity is actually the daughter of Neo Queen Serenity, or better known as the goddess Selene, who was the goddess of the moon. So although we want to look natural, I also wanted to make this makeup look like we were glowing from within. Conceal any redness using your favorite concealer. Here I'm just taking my Shape Tape and putting it on any spots and concealing around my nose. Of course, this is a Sailor Moon tutorial, so I took my Sailor Moon palette from ColourPop and I chose this vibrant tangerine and placed this all over the lid space. In the anime, the Sailor Scouts don't wear much makeup even when they transform, so we want to keep the eyes looking soft and natural. Then I added this beautiful pale peach shades to the brow bow so we can brighten our eye area more. I wanted to keep the look bright and glowy. To give the eyes a little depth, I added the soft coral to the corner of the eyes. Blend it until you are satisfied with how it looks. I saw the American version first on Cartoon Network, and then years later I found out that Sailor Moon was actually an anime. I didn't even know what anime was when I was younger. I just know that I really love Sailor Moon, and the fact that I'm doing this tutorial today is cray. By the way, this look I think also could work for Sailor Venus. So if you plan on becoming Sailor Venus for a future cosplay show or for Halloween, I think this look would look really great, except I would probably put more orangey. On the center of the lids, I placed this yellow gold. I felt this brought out Serenity's light heart because she's always talking about maintaining peace on Earth. Serenity, Sailor Moon, they're always fighting to heal the Earth from all the evils that happen. To brighten my eyes more, I used Peach Fuzz from ColourPop's Gel Eyeliner Collection and placed this on the eye rim. Peach gives Usagi's look a more youthful feel. Using another pastel gel liner in the color yellow, I added this to the crease and made a wing-shaped graphic liner. It reminded me of the rings around some of the planets. This is an optional part, you don't have to do this. For a glowing twist, I added this gold pink glitter on the inner corners. This gave the eyes a nice amount of glitter without losing the natural softness of the other colors. I also added a wing liner. I decided to keep it on the smaller length, but you can extend it more if you wish. After all, Usagi, Serena are anime characters, so you can exaggerate it a little bit more. On my cheeks, I added the shade Peachy Peach from Emcosmetics. This gave the look an overall warm glow. And when Usagi becomes Princess Serenity, she radiates kindness, so I wanted to bring that charm from her from the inside to the outside. Then, taking a pale gold, I took Moonstone from Becca and I added this on the cheekbones. I decided to add a second layer of Peachy Peach to bring more warmth to the cheeks. I really like these Emcosmetics Serum blushes because you can build them up. So if you're not satisfied with just a sheer color and you want to bring more color to your cheeks, you can just add a second layer and boom, it looks really, really pretty. On the lips, I added some of the Serum blush in Sunset Skies, and I added the lip gloss as a topper from, again, Emcosmetics. I'm really loving all of her products because they just bring out natural beauty, and it's skincare and natural products that just make the skin glow, and lately I've been on this journey of less is more. I also noticed that Usagi always has light pink to pink shades on her lips when she transforms into her past, present, and future forms of Sailor Moon, Princess Serenity, etc. Sailor Moon and Sailor Neptune were always my favorite scouts. Hope all of you Sailor Moon fans enjoyed this tutorial, and this helps you for your Halloween costume or cosplay. This year, Halloween lands on a weekend. Please don't get discouraged just because things are the way they are in the world. Try to go out there, at least around your area, with, of course, being safe, and celebrate Halloween. Or dress up at home and watch movies, spooky things, cute things, Sailor Moon. Try to make the day as awesome as you can. Alright, llamas, I love you, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye!